Hello everyone, welcome again to GISC Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is data handling. We already learned in the previous classes in the data handling, whatever data is given, and from this data we have to make pictograph. Okay, in our previous standard we already make the pictograph like this. Okay, the data is given Monday, Tuesday, different day and different child, so we have to represent with any figure, that is the pictograph. But here we have to see, so one step ahead, we have to go one step ahead. So first of all we have to collecting the data, whatever data is given, so हमको उसको collect करना पड़ेगा. After the collecting the data, so another step is that organizing the data. उसको organize करो, means उसको arrange करो properly. Okay, here one data is given. Miss Neelam, class teacher, wanted to find how children had performed in English. She write down the marks obtained by the student in the following way. Okay, नीलम टीचर है, उसने मार्क्स लिखे हैं इंग्लिश में. सो 23, 35, 48, 30, 25, 46, 13, 27, 32 एंड 38. सो इन दिस फॉर्म द डेटा वॉज नॉट ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. ऐसे फॉर्म में डेटा हम इजीली समझ नहीं पाएंगे कि किसके मार्क्स कितने हैं, कौन से स्टूडेंट के मार्क कितने हैं. सो इसके लिए हमको प्रॉपर डेटा अरेंज करना पड़ेगा. सबसे पहले सबके रोल नंबर्स, सबके नाम्स, और यहाँ पे डेटा हमको जैसे अरेंज किया हुआ दिया है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे उसको प्रॉपर अरेंज किया है, ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द डेटा. डेटा को प्रॉपरली ऑर्गेनाइज करना है हमें. सो हियर डिफरेंट नेम्स आर गिवन एंड अजय रोल नंबर 1, मार्क्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम 50, 23, अरमान 35, आशीष 48, लाइक दिस. सो प्रॉपरली डेटा इज गिवन. सो फ्रॉम दिस डेटा अगर हमको कोई पूछे कि कविता के कितने मार्क आए, तो हम इजीली बता सके कि कविता गॉट 27 मार्क्स. सो दिस इज द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा. ओके, so now friends, this data is organized but it is not properly organized. So first of all we have to organize this data in the order, ascending order or descending order. So here it is organized by descending order, means Ashish got the highest mark. So first of all the name of Ashish is given, roll number 3 Ashish, 48 marks. Then 46 mark got by Govind. So they are giving in decreasing order. Okay, so highest to lowest means it is a descending order. Now friends, let me see the next one, representative values. So our first representative value is arithmetic mean. means क्या होता है वो फ्रेंड्स हम देखते हैं. The most common representative value of the group of data is the arithmetic mean or the mean. उसको हम only mean भी बोल सकते हैं और arithmetic mean भी बोल सकते हैं. और फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे अगर 2 vessels contain 20 liter and 60 liter of milk. Okay, in one container there is a 20 liter and another container having a 60 liter of milk. And question is find the arithmetic mean of the milk. So what we have to do here, 2 data is given, 20 liter and 60 liter. So simply we have to add these 2 data, 20 plus 60. Simply we have to add these 2 data and divide by the number, means how many data are there. There are only 2 data, so divide it by 2. So 20 plus 60, it's 80. 80 divided by 2, so we got answer 40. So answer is 40 liter of milk in each vessels. Okay, now mean means mean ki define as sum of all observation, means whatever data is given. So we have to add this all observation, addition of the all observation divide by number of observation. और observation कितने हैं वो हमें count करना है. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे count किया, यहाँ पे 2 observation है, 1 and 2, तो हमने ये दोनों का addition करके divide by 2 कर दिया, right? So it is a mean, means sum of all observations divided by number of observation. Now friends, let me see the examples. So example number 1 said that Ashish studies for 4 hour, 5 hour and 3 hour respectively on 3 consecutive days. Consecutive means एक साथ, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ऐसे 3 दिन वो respective, Monday 4 hour, Tuesday 5 hour, Wednesday 3 hour study करता है. So how many hours does he study daily on an average? एवरेज मीन्स मीन, वही एवरेज वही मीन, बोथ आर सेम. सो सिंपली फ्रेंड्स टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशन कितने दिए हैं यहाँ पे हमको 4 and 5 3, 4 5 and 3. So simply we have to add 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3. So we will got our answer 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3. So friends 4 plus 5 9 and 9 plus 3 12, 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 उसको हम कट कर सकते हैं 3 4 are 12. So 4 hour per day is the average reading. Now, example number 2. A batsman scored the following numbers of runs in the 6 innings: 36, 35, 50, 46, 60 and 55. So, calculate the mean run scored by him in the innings. We have to find the mean run. So, total runs 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55 means sum of all observation. So, total there are 6 observations. So, sum of all observation divided by 6. So 282 divided by 6. So if we divide this both, so we will get our answer. So we will get our answer 47. So the mean runs scored in the innings are 47. Now friends, next one is a range. How to find a range? Range means simply the difference between highest and lowest observation. So, friends, a difference range means the difference between highest and lowest observation. Now, let me see the example. So, example number 3 says that the age in years of 10 teachers of the school are 32, 41, 28, 54. Age is given different teachers. So, first question: what is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? We have to find the age of oldest and youngest. Okay, so from this oldest one is 54 and the youngest one is of 23. Okay, 54 and 23. 54 is the oldest and youngest is 23 years. Now question is 2 is that what is the range of the ages of the teachers? So range means highest minus lowest. So highest data is 54 and lowest data is 23. So we have to find the subtraction of highest minus lowest. So 54 minus 23. So we will got here 31 year is the range. And question 3 is that what is the mean age of these teachers? Mean age is equal to addition of all observation divided by number of observations. So here friends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 observations are there. So addition of all observation divided by 10. So if you do the addition of all, so you will get 350. So 350 divided by 10. So here we got 35 years is the mean age of the teachers. So friends, here we finished our examples and we learned today 2 things: mean, how to find mean synonyms of mean is average, how to find average, and another is range. Range is equal to highest data minus lowest, and the friends average is equal to whatever observations are given, addition of all observation divided by numbers of observation. So this way we will got mean and range. Now friends, let me see exercise 3.1 question number 1. Find the range of the heights of any 10 student of your class. So we have to write down any 10 students name, their height, and we have to find the range of the height. Okay, so let me see how to solve this question. So friend, here I wrote the name of 10 students: Ram, Shyam, Raj, Ramesh, Om, Kalp, Hem, Lucky, Jay and Prakash, and their height 122 centimeter, 134, 140 centimeter, 120. Okay, different heights are given. So highest height is of Prakash 162 centimeter and the lowest height is 120 is of Ramesh. So friends, we have to find the range. Range means we know that range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So highest value is 162 and lowest value is 120. So 162 minus 120. So we got the range 42. Okay, so here question 1 is finished. Now let me see question number 2. Question number 2 is that organize the following marks in the class assessment in the tabular form. Tabular form और हमको इसको tally mark में बनाना है. Okay. And from after this we have to give the answers of the following 4 questions. So let first we will arrange these numbers into tally mark table. Friends, that already we learned how to draw tally mark table. First of all, I wrote the marks 1 to 9, then tally marks. वन बाय वन हमें क्वेश्चंस में देखते जाना है कि जो जो नंबर्स है उसमें अंडर टिक करते जाना है. ओके. और 1 मार्क वाले कितने स्टूडेंट है? 1. 2 मार्क वाले 2 स्टूडेंट, 3 मार्क वाले 1, 4 मार्क वाले 3 स्टूडेंट, लाइक दिस. नाउ फ्रेंड, फ्रॉम दिस डेटा, from these marks we have to find the answers of the following question. So friends, let me see the question. So first question is that which number is the highest? So friends, we know that 9 is the highest. Another question is which number is the lowest? So friend, we know that 1 is the lowest. Next, what is the range of the data? So range means highest minus lowest. So 9 is the highest and 1 is lowest. So 9 minus 1, 8. And last question, what is the mean? Means addition of all marks 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 till 9 divided by total numbers. Total 9 numbers are, so divided by 9. So if you do the addition of these all numbers, so you will get 45. So 45 divided by 9. So friends, 9 5s are 45. So our answer will be 5. So here we finished our question number 2. Now question number 3, find the mean of the first 5 होल नंबर. फर्स्ट 5 होल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? 0 से. होल नंबर मीन्स 0 1 2 3. फर्स्ट 5 मीन्स 0 1 2 3 एंड 4. उसका हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? मीन. ओके. सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे मैंने फाइंड किया हुआ है 0 1 2 3 4. उसका मीन 0 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 प्लस 4 डिवाइड बाय 5, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 5 नंबर है ना, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. सो डिवाइड इट विथ 5. So if you do the addition of this all, so we will get 10. So 10 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. So answer will be 2. So हमारा आंसर आ गया 2. So question 3 हमारा फिनिश हो गया. So friends, question 4 onwards we will see in our next video. Finish this exercise in your notebook. You do not write anything else in your notebook. Finish test question number 1 2 3 in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.